She is on.
Everyone put yourselves on mute, please, until I call your case.
36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no talking, no gum chewing, no drinking, no smoking, no driving or riding in a vehicle, no laying down or lounging. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that your face may be seen on screen. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Kyrie Williams, you can unmute yourself.
How you doing?
I'm finding you.
Doing good.
Good, thank you. Miss Elfrida, are you ready? Can you hear us okay?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, great, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kyrie Williams. This is ticket number 1230590. One count registration and or plate violation. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Colleen Soroki on behalf of Kyrie Williams.
All right, Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Kyrie Williams.
This is date and time set for an arraignment.
Your Honor, at this time, there is a recommendation these charges be dismissed. We'd stipulate to probable cause.
So at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Because you have come into compliance, okay, sir? Make sure that you always keep everything up to date, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Felicia Willis. Felicia Willis.
Hi, I'm here. I'm just trying to figure out how to turn my camera back on.
Should be an icon at the bottom with the little camera thing.
Right next to the mute
I
button.
have it. Yes, thank you. I'm sorry. Hi, I'm here.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Felicia Willis. This is case number SP 1223667. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, no receipt of registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki here, Felicia Willis.
Ms. Willis, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, Felicia Willis.
Your Honor, this time we waive the formal reading of the charges. My client stands mute.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, my client's requesting a bench trial date.
All right, is that right, Ms. Willis?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Willis, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Ms. Soroki in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of the facts. Is that how you want to proceed, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna set this matter for a bench trial on the date of June 13th, 2022. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you will zoom in on that date. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you. And that's June 13th?
June 13th. If there's nothing else, that concludes this hearing, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, no problem. Have a good day.
You too.
Now calling Wanda Young.
I'm here.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Wanda Young. This is case number SP 124852241. One count, drove with revoked license. Count two, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Quanda Young.
Now, can you state your name for the record, please?
Wanda Young.
Your Honor, at this time, we waive the formal reading of the information. My client stands
Wilson,
mute to the
Mr.
charges.
Wilson, Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
Wilson,
Thank you.
Mr. Wilson, we are
Yes,
having
ma'am.
court. Mr. Wilson, we are
Mute.
not on, we are having court. You can't talk. All right, Ms. Young. I'm sorry, Ms. Soroka.
Your Honor, at this time, we waive the formal reading of the information. My client stands mute to the charges and she's requesting a bench trial date.
Ms. Young, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of the fact. Is that how you want to proceed, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of June 13th, 2022. That is going to be at 9 a.m. Mr. Wilson, why do you keep unmuting yourself? Just leave it muted, okay? We can hear everything that you do, from the talking to the people outside the car. You're muted now, but to the inhaling of the break, just stay on mute until I tell you ready, okay? 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. It is a Zoom bench trial, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom back in on that date at 9 a.m., June 13th. Okay, ma'am?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You as well.
All right, thank you. Ms. Carson, wow.
Hello.
Hello. Now calling the matter of the people versus Carson, wow. This is case number P 1225472. One count entering a vacant dwelling without owner's written permission. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Carson Wild. This time we waive the formal reading of the information and my client stands mute to the charges.
And Ms. Wild, can you state your name for the record?
Carson Maris Weldy.
All right, at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we proceeding, Ms. Soroki?
Your Honor, my client is continuing to plead not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, is that right, Ms. Wow? Yeah.
Ms. Wildy?
Okay. If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Wild, did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
I did, yes.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of the facts. Is that how you want to proceed, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I'm gonna set this matter for a bench trial on the date of June 13th, 2022. That is gonna be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. The same way you zoomed in today, it's the same exact information on that day. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. You have a good day, okay?
Thank you as well.
Kenyon Wilson?
Yes.
Okay, unmute yourself now. Not Ms. Wilson, the other Kenyon. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kenyon Wilson. This is U ticket 593-59521. One count of aiding and abetting another in the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, PF of Kyan Wilson. At this time, we waive the formal reading of the charges and my client stands mute.
I'm also calling case number SP 123562241. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. I'll take it that this court, that you're asking this court to arraign him on that information, waive the formal reading, and enter plea of not guilty on that count as well.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Wilson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Ken Jamal Wilson.
All right. This is the date and time set for an arraignment on these particular matters. It's my understanding that you would like to have a jury trial in this matter, Mr. Wilson?
Yes.
Okay. So, Mr. Wilson, what I'm going to do, our building is currently not having jury trials for traffic matters. I'm going to set this for a pre-trial. And then at that date and time, I should have some more information. Hopefully we'll be in a better position where I can actually set a jury trial for this matter. So right now, I'm gonna set this for a pre-trial on the date of May the 11th, 2022. That's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. And at that point in time, I'll know what our jury trial is looking like, and we can hopefully set it on that date for a jury trial. Okay, Mr. Wilson?
Yes,
Your Honor,
ma'am.
he's looking to have counsel appointed also.
Okay. All right. So what I'm gonna need you to do is take down a phone number, Mr. Wilson. Are you ready?
Give me 1 second, please.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
313-965-2293. Okay, I need you to call the courtroom. We need to get some personal information from you that I don't want online. And so, because this is live, I don't want to get this information. And so call that number so we can get this information and we can get you a counsel assigned. I'm gonna set your bond right now at $0 personal, and we'll see you back for a pre-trial on May 11th, 2022, okay?
May 11, 2022.
Via Zoom.
And what
okay?
time? Okay, I'm sorry. What time you said it was again?
8:30 a.m. That's fine.
You said May
May 11th, yes.
May 11. Okay.
May 11th,
Thank you.
okay? Zoom back in, it's gonna
Yes,
be a
ma'am.
pre-trial, and then that way I'll know where we are with having jury trials, okay? In the interim, though, call
Yes,
the number
ma'am.
so I can get you some counsel assigned, but we gotta get some personal information I don't want on YouTube.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Call that number now.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will. Miss Tanea Wilson, am I saying it right? Tanea?
Tania.
Tania?
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
I'm calling your matter now, okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the matter of the people versus Tania Wilson. This is case number, or ticket number P 1260605. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, PF of Tania Wilson.
And Ms. Wilson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Tania Wilson.
Your Honor, at this time, we waive the formal reading of the information. My client stands mute to the charges.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
She's requesting a bench trial date.
Is that right, Ms. Wilson? Oh, I didn't even see your face. Can you activate your camera, Ms. Wilson?
Sorry.
It's okay. Ms. Wilson, you're requesting a bench trial in this matter?
Yes.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Wilson, you had an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. That's how you want to proceed, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of June the 13th, 2022. I'm going to set it at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your personal bond at $0. Okay. So it's
Okay.
a Zoom bench trial, the same way you zoomed in today. You're going to zoom in on June the 13th, okay?
Okay.
All right. You got any questions for me, ma'am?
No.
All right. If so, that concludes this hearing, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You born in 2002, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. And I was like, look, I had to look down on my sheet to make sure you were legal age. All right. Keep going.
Okay.
All right.
Well,
Have a good day.
you too.
Hello?
Hello.
Oh, yeah, this is Timothy Wilkerson.
Wilkerson, were you having a hard time signing on this afternoon?
Yes, yeah,
Timothy Wilkerson, you said?
yes, ma'am.
Y'all see him on the dock?
Yeah, he's on the docket. I only see it, oh, he's got the end of page 2.
Okay. All right, sir. Hold tight. We're gonna have to finish our last matter, then we're gonna have the attorney talk to you for a minute, okay?
Okay,
Mr. Robert Williams, can you hear me okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm calling your matter now. You ready? These are the matters of the people versus Robert Williams. This is ticket number P1228245. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 drive while license suspended. Count 3 no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1228297. One count tinted windows. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Robert Williams, at this time, we're formal reading the information, stand mute to the charges.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding in this matter?
Your Honor, he's requesting a bench trial date.
Mr. Williams, will you raise your right hand for me? Do you
Yes,
swear
ma'am.
or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney? That would have been Mr. Roki in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of the facts. Is that how you want to proceed, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of June the 13th, 2022 at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. This is going to be a Zoom trial, so the same way you zoomed in today, the same exact numbers apply on that date, only it's going to be in the morning at 9 a.m. Okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you can, I need you to try and get the other device to work, because I do like to have the first thing that you were on. I want to be able to see you on that day. So try and figure that one out for me, okay?
I sure will.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. You have a good day, sir, okay?
You have a better one.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Wilkerson, I'm going to put you into a room now, and Attorney Soroki is going to come in there and talk to you about your case, okay?
You talking to Mr. Wilkerson?
Yes, Mr. Wilkerson. Sorry.
Okay,
Okay. I'm gonna put you in. Okay, Mr. Roki, I'm gonna try and get you an offer, but you can go in there and at least talk to him right now so he knows what's going on, okay?
Yes.
Okay, we'll get you one. Mr. Gillis is still in the court, so,
But okay, thank you.
well, okay. Okay, so here. We got a lot of matter.
Only one of us made it to the breakout room.
You in room one? He not in room one?
Oh, maybe he came in now. Okay, came in after.
He was already here February 4th. You got time to fly. So yes, like, what day for those three?
Okay. You want to go 45? Got a little bit of time. Talk to him for a second.
Okay, John.
I heard.
Excuse me. So does John know what the offer is? Can you hear me, Your Honor? I
Yes,
can't.
sorry, I was talking, I didn't realize. I said, yes, he actually, we did a, sign and fly one day, and he didn't, he has another court date, so we pull all his tickets so he can handle it all today. So John's writing up an offer right now.
On all of this gentleman's tickets?
Yes.
Well, he's got a hearing date before the Secretary of State, so I don't know.
Do you want us to just wait then until?
Yeah, I think it's
after?
probably better. That's why all these people today, we're all going to Secretary of State, so that's why we waited.
Okay, that's
So,
fine.
let me go tell him, I'll bring him out, okay?
Okay, what's his next date?
May 2nd.
Okay, we'll just put them all on the same day. I'll call these ones and we'll put them on the same day.
Okay.
Right. Let me still have it all. Right. Thank you.
So you're gonna have to bring him out, I think, Judge.
Yes, we do.
He thinks he only has 3 tickets.
Yes, 6.
Okay.
I can tell him, don't worry, I'll tell him. Mr. Wilkerson, can you hear me okay?
Yes,
Okay, you have 2 tickets up today, but you came to another court date a couple of weeks ago, didn't you? And you had a few tickets up that day
Yeah.
as well?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put everything over to the same day, but I'm gonna call this so we can get you arraigned on this so that you don't get caught with, having any outstanding matters, okay?
Okay,
All right, and then I'm gonna have you come back on the same day so that you can be able to handle all of them in May, okay?
yes, thank you.
No problem. Now calling the matter of the people versus Timothy Wilkerson. This is ticket number P 1225853. 1 count, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, drive while with revoked license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Timothy Wilkerson, at this time, we enter a plea of not guilty, waive the formal reading of the information.
Right, Mr. Wilkerson, can you state your name for the record?
Timothy Wilkerson.
All right. At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Mr. Wilkerson, you have another court date, May the 2nd, 2022, on those other matters that you were arraigned on. The court is going to put these 2 matters on that same date, May the 2nd, 2, that's 2, the number 2, May 2nd, at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to put a personal bond of $0 on these matters. And sir, hopefully that gives you enough time to handle all the business that you need at the Secretary of State's office. We'll see you back then, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
You're so
And happy
very welcome.
Valentine's Day.
Aw, thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day to you too. We'll see you back on May the 2nd, okay, sir?
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, well, happy Valentine's Day to you.